house protects the dreamer. The houses that are important to us are the ones that allow us to dream in peace.
And this house might just be the most famous in all of Italy, Bramasole, meaning to yearn for the sun. It is the villa that author Frances Mays and her husband Ed transformed from an abandoned ruin into a thrilling second act in life, inspiring the book, the movie, and the worldwide phenomenon Under the Tuscan Sun, and bringing people from around the world to the town of Cortona to see Bramasole in person. Today, I'm one of them.
Benvenuta.
Ciao, welcome to Bramasole.
Oh, thank you, Rose. It's nice to see you. And Ed. Mwah,
Kathy.
mwah.
I've been so looking forward to seeing you again.
Oh, it's the perfect day. The sun is out. There are butterflies everywhere. Do you really live in a dream world?
Very much so. Sometimes I just wonder if this could possibly be a mirage and tomorrow I'm going to wake up.
The color of the grass, the flowers, the house, the air, it's so fresh up here. What is it about Bramasole, this piece of land that really called to you?
So I pulled up in front of this house that was for sale, and I thought, I really would like to have the life that could be lived inside that house. I thought it looked like a box of crayons left out in the sun to melt, kind of smeary apricot rose, and I've always loved looking at the colors of the house. So I got out of the car and I slammed the door and I said, this is my house. And then we went in and I saw what a disaster it was.
But you weren't
I'd
daunted.
already decided it was just one of those spontaneous decisions.
It's so funny, as we're sitting here, you can hear the people on the street that come to the front of Bramasole. What's that like?
My books have been translated in 54 languages.
Oh my God.
So there are people coming from all over creation. And it's really fun how you don't know their language, they don't know yours. You can make contact. I'm coming and going all the time, so I see people a lot and talk to them.
And what is their reaction when they see you?
They're happy to be here, and I'm flattered that a book or a movie has the power to make someone make a journey.
My mom's favorite movie is Under the Tuscan Sun. So we were here, and I was gonna FaceTime her and show her the house.
And what did Frances think of the big screen version that fictionalized her as single, not married to Ed?
I love the movie.
That's good. That's
Of course,
good.
books and movies are always different.
Yeah.
I knew that it would be different, but I expected that. But I really thought Diane Lane was just wonderful. And the Italian man she had the affair with, Raoul Bova, is quite divine. Quite divine. And I thought, they had to do some more dramatic things.
Right.
My book is kind of a quiet book. And they had to make drama.
Frances is taking me for a tour.
There's the view, hasn't changed in 1,000 years.
That's amazing. That's something you rarely see.
If you were a medieval person, it would have looked just like that. So it's kind of a combination of a traditional Italian garden and kind of an English touch with the soft flowers. It's really fun.
And of course, all the butterflies and bees, and it's a very vibrant, lively place.
Yes, it is. Always something going on.
And now the part of Bramasole few ever see.
This was the former kitchen of the house, and this
Fireplace.
was just covered in baby blue tile, which we ripped off and found the real fireplace underneath.
And I remember as soon as I walked in, I looked at the floor. Did you work on the floor and Ed worked on the ceiling?
Absolutely, absolutely. I was stripping the floor of 30 years of grime. He had to strip the whole ceiling, so he was working like Michelangelo, on the Sistine Chapel.
That's awesome. So there's so much of yourselves in this house.
There is. It's a quirky house. It's a writer's house, and now it's our house. In this room was the real surprise of the restoration.
Oh my gosh.
It was all white, and we were just washing it down to repaint. And this beautiful blue started to emerge, and we kept scrubbing and sponging it off and splashing water, and this fresco emerged, and we were stunned. We thought, a fresco.
I'm stunned. And when do you think it was painted?
I think it's original to the house. The house is about 275 years old. One of the workers was so unimpressed that he wrote his boss's telephone number on the wall.
You're kidding me.
We were furious, but they just thought we'd paint over it because anytime you scrub in Cortona, you find a fresco.
And it's really the centerpiece of this house. Well, I recognize this bed.
You certainly do. It's the bed from the movie Under the Tuscan Sun. The one that Diane Lane jumped up and down on and said, I got it, I got it. And we were able to keep it at the end of the film, so we have our little shrine to the movie here. And guests who come here often think they want to have that moment as well.
So they jump on it? So tell me, do you jump on the bed?
Yeah, all the time.
How many bedrooms do you have in Bramasole?
The house has 8 bedrooms. They're all small like this.
Yeah, but cozy.
And we use most of them for other things, but all the old farmhouses had these kinds of beds.
Yeah.
Usually with the Madonna at the head watching over you while you sleep, or some other saint.